Hello, students. Welcome again in the YouTube channel of Monbretia. Today, I am here with the Standard 10 English chapter. I was teaching you the Thief story, chapter number 2 in the supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet. The thief story, as I have told you, it was the story of a thief named Hari Singh who usually rob different people by gaining their faith. Now he has met with Anil, who was 21 years of age, and Hari Singh was 15 years of age. So, it is the story told by the narrator itself, that is the thief. The narrator wanted to work for Anil, means the thief wanted to work for Anil. But Anil was not a rich man, he was a simple writer. He could not pay him. He could not pay him. The narrator thought for a moment that he has misjudged his target. He has misjudged. He has selected a wrong person for robbing. When he cannot pay, that means he do not have money. Anil asked Hari Singh, that is the thief, if he could cook. Hari Singh lied that he could cook. Hari Singh lied that he could cook. The food that he cooked for Anil that night was so terrible that he has to throw the food for the stray dog. Anil asked him to go away from his house, but the narrator did not move from there and gave a very attractive smile to Anil. And Anil also moved by his smile. And at last, Anil agreed to teach him cooking. Anil also agreed to teach him to learn. Learn means to read and write. The thief wanted to learn. When he heard that Anil wanted to teach him to read and write, he became very happy. Hari Singh wanted to be educated. He was grateful that at least Anil had given him the basic education. Basic education. He knew that once he could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what he could achieve. Hari Singh found it quite pleasant to work with Anil. He make tea in the morning and he usually make a profit of a rupee from buying the day's supplies. Hari Singh has been deputed the duty of buying vegetables and other articles from outside, and for in that he used to make few monies, 1 rupees. Anil knew everything, that Anil make money by 1 rupees every day while purchasing goods, but he did not speak about Hari Singh's stealing. He did not seem to mind them. So, since Anil did not have any regular income, Anil had no regular income. Why? He made money by fits. Fits and starts. Means, means his income is not regular. He used to write some stories or articles in the magazines. The day he got the money, whenever he get the money, he would go out and celebrate. Then he would wait and worry about the next check. Means whenever he get the money, he go out and enjoy with his friends. And again, when it finishes in the rest of the days, he used to wait for the next check to come from the publishers, from the magazines. So in this way, Anil used to sustain his life, and then he also kept Hari Singh with him. So Hari Singh was not getting any opportunity to rob him. What happened next? We will see in the next video. Up to the thing taught here, you have to learn why was the thief or Hari Singh grateful to Anil? Did Anil have money to pay the thief? Then why did he agree to feed him? How did Hari Singh justify to himself his intention of stealing Anil's money? This I will teach you in the next lesson. Thank you.